Welcome back, viewers. So today we will be testing the Elder Force Index indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. But before we get into testing today's indicator, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everybody to see. I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everybody to see. And so to date, we have tested 30 indicators. And out of those 30 indicators, 10 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we are looking for. The best so far has been an 85% winner, which is a very respectable win rate for a single indicator to achieve. So as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of these indicators and get out there and start trading the market with it now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, pick the ones that you like best, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your profit. So, as I said, today's indicator will be the Elder Force Index. The Elder Force Index was created by Alexander Elder, and it basically is an oscillator that displays or measures the force or power behind the movement of the price above. And so it is tracking and measuring the movement of either the bears or the bulls, depending on who is dominating the market at that particular time. And so it is a zero line cross. We have the blue line here, which is the Elder Force Index. We have the red line here, which is a zero line. And we will be testing it as the blue line crosses down below the red line. That is a sell signal. As the blue line crosses up above the red line, that is a buy signal. So that's how we're going to test it. And let's get on with the testing now. See what we can achieve with the Elder Force Index. There is our first signal. It is a buy signal, and it did us rather proud. Took off pretty good there. We then pick up a sell signal here. It looks like it was a swing and a miss. And then right into another buy signal here, which was a winner. So interesting first couple of trades. Does look like it chopped us out on this one. But got us on that one. So it looks like, from what I can tell already, this might be an overtrader. But we will see as we continue to test it here. Yes, as I suspected, it is an overtrader. it is definitely throwing lots and lots of signals out here, but it seems to be so-so as far as wins versus losses at this point. So it's possible it may edge out the 60%. Not really positive at this point, so we'll just keep plugging along here and see what we can get out of it. Hopefully it can pull out a decent little number of win streaks here and become a decent indicator. Go on our winning indicator list, but it is undetermined yet. We're getting close to the end of the year now, and it's pulled out a few wins here, but also quite a few losses. Finish out the year here, and we will tally up what this indicator was able to achieve. My prediction is that it is not going to meet the 60% criteria. It is throwing out a lot of signals, and anytime we have an indicator that throws out this many signals, it seems to never meet the 60% requirement. So let's count them up here and see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and 46. There's 46 trades, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 wins. So it is far from the 60% threshold that it needed to achieve. Again, like I've said, an overtrader, it is throwing signals like crazy, and it just, over trading like that almost always leads to more losses. More losses leads to not being able to be profitable. We've seen it time and time again with these indicators. More is not better. Less is better when it comes to some of these indicators. Of course, as I've said before, also, there's a thin line. You need enough signals during a 1-year period of time to make it worth your while to trade. If you're only getting one signal in a year, that's really not gonna do you much good unless you are on a 1-year win streak and ride out, 1 year worth of price action. Then maybe, but I've never been able to see that. There's just too much movement in the market to be able to jump on a move like that. So this one is going on the big giant no list, and we will move on from here. So Elder Force Index is a no. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, It's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out, so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.